Ayan, nakikita na?
Opo.
Opo.
Ayan. So, ito yung theorem number 1 natin, the side angle inequality theorem. And then sa theorem number 2, anong sinasabi doon?
Angle side
Ayan,
theorem.
very good. So, pabalik na rin lang natin yun. That's the angle side. And then theorem number 3,
Side by side by side.
side ba yun? That is side 1 plus side 2
Side 2, side 3.
greater than side 3. So, yun yun. Diba? And then, meron tayong tinatawag na exterior angle theorem. So, lipat ko muna itong triangle. Yan. So, dun sa ating exterior angle theorem. Yan. Exterior angle theorem. Yan. Anong sinasabi ng exterior angle theorem based on the lesson that we discussed last time? Balikan natin. Anong sabi ng exterior angle theorem? So, meron tayong triangle, of course. May triangle tayo. Magawa tayo ng triangle. Mga yung triangle natin. Okay. So, mga ito. M, E, N. Triangle natin. Okay. So, sa exterior angle theorem, how do we identify exterior angle?
Pag may extended side.
Ayan, pag may extended side. Sige nga, ipakita mo nga sa akin kung paano nabubuo yun. Sige. In that triangle MEN, construct an exterior angle MENT. Isabel?
Sir,
Yes, pakigawa nga ng exterior angle ENT dito sa ating figure. O yan.
sir, ano po? E-N-T,
ENT, draw. Yan. Pwede kayo
sir.
T. Pwede kayo mag-drawing dyan. So, pakita nyo sa akin. Exterior angle theorem. I-try dyan mismo sa Jamboard natin. Edit lang, yan. Okay, so ENT. Ayan, very good. So, meron tayong exterior angle ENT. So, yan yung exterior angle. We're talking to this angle, of course. So, itong angle na to yung tinutukoy natin, yung inuhit ni Isabel. Anong ginawa niya? What does Isabel do to the triangle to have an exterior angle ENT? Nagkaroon tayo dito na exterior angle ENT by, tulad nga ng sinabi niya, ano lang gagawin natin?
Extending the line.
Extending.
In-extend lang yung side na MN. So, in-extend lang yan. And then, naglagay siya ng point dito. And that's it. Nagkaroon na tayo ng tinatawag na exterior angle doon sa given triangle, MEN. Now, if we have an exterior angle ENT. So, yan. Angle ENT. What do you call about angle E? So, itong angle na to, tsaka itong angle na to in relation to that exterior angle. Anong tawag dyan?
Interior.
Yun, narinig ko? Yung kumpleto, narinig ko, may nagsabi. Ano yun?
Interior angle.
Remote interior angle. So, ito yung tinatawag nating RIA, di ba? The remote interior angle. If angle M and angle E is the remote interior angle of this exterior angle, ano naman tawag dito sa angle na to? Ang angle na to, nasa loob. Angle MNE or ENM. Totoo yung angle na to. In relation to ENT.
Adjacent angle.
Yes, correct. Yan ay adjacent angle. Bakit siya tinawag na adjacent? They have common vertex and they have common side. So, adjacent angle yun. Ang relationship ng adjacent angle, which is angle ENT, tsaka yung tinatawag nating angle E and M. E and M, ha? E and M. Yan. Anong relationship nila? They are, start with letter S, which is equal to 180 degrees. Anong tawag doon?
Supplementary.
Supplementary. Supplementary ang tawag dyan, ha? Supplementary. Ang equal niya ay 180 degrees. And now, what is the relation of the supplementary? Kulang pa pala ito. Oh, yeah. And supplementary. And what is the relationship in terms of measurement ng ating exterior angle? Ito, exterior angle natin, tsaka yung remote interior angle M, tsaka angle E. Ano yung relationship nila? O, exterior angle natin ay equal sa kanilang remote interior angle. Anong gagawin dun sa dalawang angle na yan?
Pagka-add.
Yes,
Plus.
good. Ipagpa-flash yan. So, meron dun question, di ba? May question dun sa ating assessment na may kinalaman sa remote interior angle. Halimbawa, sabihin natin na ito ay 5x. Yeah, 5x yan. And this is x. 5x and this is x. And the exterior angle is equal to 120 degrees. Okay. Based on the given, how are you going to find the value of x? Paano natin kukuhain yung value ng x niyan? So make an equation in order to compute the given value, which is x. We're finding the value of x. So the exterior angle is 120 degrees, while the measure of angle E is x, and the measure of angle M is 5x. Pablo?
Measurement of M plus measurement of E, so 5x plus E.
Isulat sa Jamboard. Make an equation. Isulat yan sa Jamboard. Equal. So, tignan nyo itong equation natin dito. Look at this. So, lalagyan natin ito ng equal. Equal saan? Sa exterior angle. And what's the measure of exterior angle? Sulat. 120. Okay? So, based on that given equation, so ano ngayon yung value ng x? What is the value of x? Micaela?
Po.
Yes, it will be the value of x. Sulat nga yung value ng x natin based on the equation. This is the equation. Tama to. Kasi based on the given, ito yun, the exterior angle is equal to the sum of the remote interior angle. So these are the remote interior angle. So equal siya sa exterior angle. Now based on that, we're just going to apply some basic algebra here para makuha natin yung value ng x.
125.
125. Ano kaya natin
Ay,
nakuha yun? Okay, so paano pa nakuha yun? Di ba ang gagawin lang? 5x plus x. Ano sa doon? That will be
6x.
yun, 6x, di ba? That is equal to 120. Now, we would like to continue this. Ayan na, 6x is equal to 120. Would like to continue.
divided by 2.
Sige. Saan natin i-divide?
6x divided by 2.
Bakit sa 2?
Tapos,
Saan ba dapat? X lang kasi
ay,
ano
divided
natin.
by 6.
Sige. Okay, try. Sino gusto mag-solve? Ang makita na iba. Even, sabi niya, is 20. Sige nga, pakita. Yun, ginagawa na ni Isabel. Try natin kung... Ayan. Very good, Isabel. So, tama rin si Even and then si Hesed, which is 20 ang sagot. So, sa 6 natin i-divide. Look at that. Ginawa ni Isabel, ha? So, di-divide sa 6. Then, cancel to, of course. Cancel natin yan. Natira na lang ang x. Sir, na-cancel ba yan? Hindi naman na-cancel actually yan. Naging invisible 1. So, 6 divided by 6 is equal to 1. Eh, nasa na yung 1? Invisible lang, di ba? And then, ganun, 120 divided 6, the answer is 20. So, therefore, the value of x is 20. So, kung mapapansin nyo, they have a similar problem dun sa assessment nyo. No? So, yung may mga xx dun. So, ganun lang yung gagawin. So, you just simply apply a simple simple algebra in order to find the missing angle in an exterior angle. Just do not forget that the exterior angle is equal to the remote interior angle. And the exterior angle is equal to 180 to its adjacent. Ito yung adjacent niya. They are supplementary. Yun yung mga knowledge na kailangan nating matandaan sa exterior angle in order to compute the missing angle. Okay, may question ba dyan? So,
Wala na po.
sa exterior angle theorem, yan ang pinaka-highlight yan. So we are going to apply the theorem in order to find the missing angle of a triangle. So yan yung pinaka-highlight, which is we just determine. Dito kasi sa theorem number 1, di ba sinabi lang naman dyan, if one side is larger to the other side, then the angle opposite to the first side is greater than to the other side. Diba? The same lang, binaliktad naman sa theorem number 2. If one angle is greater than to the second angle, then the side opposite to the first angle is longer than the side opposite to the second angle. Yan yung theorem number 2. So, yun lang namin mga sinasabi. And this is theorem number 3, since tatlo lang naman yung side niyan, sinasabi dyan that if you add the two sides of a triangle, it is always greater than or equal to the third side. Yun naman yung sa ating theorem number 3. So, yun lang yung mga dapat nating tandaan. And then, as what I said, to sa exterior angle is the relationship by the exterior angle to the remote interior angle and to its adjacent angle. So, yun lang yun, di ba? Okay. So, try to observe this and let us continue to our next step. May nakita tayong picture dyan?
Yes po.
Yes, may nakikita tayong picture. And how will you describe that pictures?
A line or in a
They are
line?
aligned. Okay, very good. So, meron tayong tinatawag line. Sabi, may line daw dyan. Line. Okay? So, yan. So, tama naman, di ba? No, may mga line tayo nakikita. So, may line ba rito? Meron, of course. Ito natin dyan. So, how about here? In this picture, how will you identify the line? Where is the line? In the fourth picture. Dito.
Browser.
Hmm? So, identify natin dyan. Example, meron tayong line dito, di ba? Ito, line natin to. Line. So, line. Ayan. So, dito rin, may line din dito. Makita, mag-red tayo. May line din dito. Ito yung line. Ito yung line natin. So, dito rin may line. Specifically, kung titignan natin, how to describe the line that is common to the four feet.
Parallel lines po?
Okay, Haven. Naririnig mo na ako, Haven?
Yes po, sir.
Okay, so balikan natin to. I want you to draw the line that you can see on this figure, on this board. Sige nga, pakidraw nga yung line na nakita natin.
Sir, sa lahat po ng picture?
Now, sa one lang. So, two line, at least two line na nakita mo ron. Ayan. So, yan yung mga line na nakikita niya. Okay. So, aside from that line, ano pang line na nakita sa picture na number 1? Latea. Wala si Alatea? Ayun. So, yan yung figure, ha? Tignan nyo mabuti, ha? So, yan yung line natin na nakita sa ating number 1. So, ayan. So, nag-focus tayo ngayon sa line. So, makikita natin yan. O ngayon, sa picture number 2. Mendes, picture number 2. So, draw the line. So, at least 2 pair of line. Okay, balikan natin. Ay, pwede. Yung mga, yan. Anong nire-represent ng line na to, Mary Claire Mendes? Ito. I think ito yun yung drawing niya. Yung?
Libro po.
Yun, yung edge ng book. So, yun yung, kaya Yan yung line. Aside from that, ano pang line meron doon sa picture number? Ayan. Yan yung line na nakikita natin. Now, since puro plain line na yung nakikita natin dyan, how will you describe that line in terms of geometry? Ha? Itaas? Sino? Justin! Julia, anong tawag natin doon?
Parallel intersecting line.
Yes, pwede. Pwede tayong tumawag ng intersecting line kasi dito sa ginawa nila ay may intersecting at makikita natin na ito ay tinatawag. Basically, makikita natin sa line na ito ay tinatawag na parallel line. Correct? Parallel line. Diba? So, tulad na rin na sinabi kanina, meron tayong intersecting line. So, ito, as you observe on this given picture, meron tayong tinatawag na intersecting line. So, but not only intersect to each other, no? Meron silang characteristic. Hindi lang sila basta nag-intersect. Look at this line. So, makita nyo, itong cable na to ay parallel, di ba? And then, itong line na to, which is the post, ayan, ay intersecting line. As well as the symbol here, makikita nyo, they are intersecting. As well as this line, the hands of the clock, they are intersecting. Also this figure, they are intersecting. But they are not simply intersect to each other. Ano yun?
Perpendicular.
Yes, very good. They are also perpendicular. So ano bang ibig sabihin ng tinatawag nating parallel line? And ito, parallel line to, di ba? So parallel line and perpendicular line. So ano ba yun? Ito, tulad nito, parallel yan. We're going to state, what does parallel line means? Ano ibig sabihin nun? Ano ibig sabihin ng parallel line? Bawa, meron tayong tinatawag na parallel line. Ito, ayan. Ano yan?
Two lines po.
Line na hindi nag-meet.
Yes, tama. Two lines na hindi nag-meet or two lines that do not intersect. While if the two lines intersect to each other, ang tawag naman dyan, intersecting line. But there is a special characteristic when two lines intersect to each other and they form right angle. Ang tawag naman dyan ay perpendicular line. Nakuha ba? So, ngayon, pag-usapan natin yung tinatawag nating parallel line and the two lines that are perpendicular to each other. Look at this given line. Ayan. Di ba nag-intersect sila? And they form what figure when they intersect to each other? So, yung may symbol na to. Anong figure yung nabuo natin?
Angle.
Right angle.
Yes, nakabuo tayo ng tinatawag na
90
angle.
degrees.
So, may angle tayo nabuo na ang sukat ay 90 degrees. When two lines intersect to each other, so halimbawa, naggawa pa rin tayo ng line dito and they intersect. Nakabuo ba tayo ng angle? May angle ba?
Opo.
Ayo, hindi nga lang siya perpendicular, but they have an angle, of course. So today we're going to discuss about the angle that is formed by intersecting line and also by parallel line. Look at this. May angle tayo dito, ha? Ito yung angle. Pero itong angle na to, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so meron tayong angle pair dito. What is the relationship of angle 2 and angle 4? Yan. Anong relationship niya?
Parehas po silang acute.
Start to letter B.
Vertical.
A. Mm, 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 mm. Ang tawag dyan? Angle pair yan. Ang tawag dyan?
Vertical angle.
Start to letter B.
Ay.
Ayan.
May feedback naman po.
Narinig niyo ako?
Narinig kanina po.
Narinig ko.
Opo.
Pero may feedback mong konti.
Ayan. So, yan. Okay. So, yan na. So, tinatanong ko, anong relationship ng angle 4 at ng angle 2?
Vertical.
Yes,
Vertical
very good.
angle.
So, tinatawag natin yan, vertical angle. So, tawag natin dyan ay vertical angle. Okay, correct. So meron tayong tinatawag na vertical angle, may linear pair, may adjacent angle. So yan yung mga nasa angle pairs natin. Try to look at it. Now, supposed to be meron tayong parallel line. Now, try to draw a line that intersect to this given line, which is parallel. Sige nga, gawa nga ng line na mag-intersect yan. Tawagin natin si Justin Leidulia. Draw a line that intersect on this parallel line.
Okay po.
Ay, mali. Nasaan na si Justin? Justin, draw a line here. Dito, gawa ka ng line na mag-i-intersect dyan sa... Yan. Okay. So, meron na siya nagawa. Correct. So, meron yung tinatawag tayo ditong intersecting line, di ba? No? So, gawa pa ako ng isa pang parallel line. Okay. Ulitin nga natin. Dalawa. Justin, ulitin. Ayan, dito. Ulitin mo dyan. Gagawa pa ako ng isa pa rin. Ayan. Okay, very good. About Hesed, another line that intersect on this given line.
Sir, di ko po kaya.
Ay, hindi kaya? About
Opo.
si, Shane, Dirag.
Sir, hindi ko po mapuksan yung Jamboard.
Hindi nabubuksan. Si Pablo ba nabubuksan? Hey Ben, draw a line. Yan. Okay. Try to observe. So, mapapansin natin, magkaiba yung line. Isang nakatayo, isang nakaislan. Okay, correct? And let us observe. So, pansinin nyo to. Dito sa line na to, if this line, sabihin natin line 1, and line are parallel to each other, and we draw a line 3, so mapapansin natin that here are some of the important things to remember, ha? If line 3 is if line 1 and line 2 are parallel, line 1 is parallel to line 2. Yan. And line 3 is perpendicular to line 1. Tandaan niyo yan, ha? Ayan. Mga symbol lang nilalagay ko, ha? Then, pwede natin sabihin, then, line 3 is also perpendicular to line 2. Itong symbol na baliktad na T, perpendicular ang tawag yan. At ito ay parallel. So yan, if and then. Ito. If line 1 is parallel to line 2, makinig. And line 3 is perpendicular to line 1, which is here. Then, line 3 is also perpendicular to line 2. Yan, properties yan. Tignan nyo mabuti, ha? Dahil ang line 1 and line 2 ay parallel, they do not intersect to each other. If line 3 is perpendicular to line 1 na nakabuo ng right angle, then pwede nating sabihin na line 3 is also perpendicular to line 2. Okay, naintindihan ba yung concept na yon? Doon sa tinatawag nating parallelism and perpendicularity. Okay, ngayon, how about this? Yan. Ito naman, makikita natin, hindi siya perpendicular. So, what property that exists on this given line? Which is, if line 1 and line 2 are parallel to each other, but we cannot say that line 3 is perpendicular to each other, hindi natin masasabi na sila ay the same. Okay. Dito naman, pag-uusapan natin ay yung mga different properties. Like for example, if line 1 and line 2 are parallel, then we draw line 3. What happened to the parallel line? What figure are formed when you draw line 3? In this, kahit dito, anong figure ba ang nabuo natin when we draw line 3?
Perpendicular.
Intersection.
Aside from that, anong figure
Intersection.
ang nabuo?
Right
Yes,
angle.
meron tayo ng intersection.
Angles.
So, what do you call about this figure? For example, itong figure na to, anong tawag natin dito?
Angle.
Angle.
Yan! So,
Angle.
nakabuo tayo ng angle. try to observe. Kung parallel line lang, may nakita ba tayong angle?
No po.
Wala. If we
Wala
draw
po.
another line, if we draw another line like this, may ginuhi tayo dyan, may nabubuo tayong angle. And how many angle are formed? Ilang angle ang nabuo natin?
6.
8.
Apa.
7.
8.
7,
More than 7. More than
8.
7.
Aha. Okay, tignan natin na, bilangin natin. Halimbawa, angle A, angle B, angle C, D, E, F, G, H. Ayan, letter lang nilagay ko. Pero kung gagawin ko halimbawa ng number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So ilang angle ang nabuo? Walo. There are 8
Walo po.
angles formed. So when a parallel line is cut by another line. Okay, tandaan nyo when a parallel line is cut by another line or intersect by another line at 2 or more points, ang tawag natin dyan ay transversal. Okay, tandaan nyo, itong line na to ay tinatawag na transversal. Okay, so yan, tignan nyo mabuti yan So, a transversal is a line. O sige nga, kayo nga magsabi, what is a transversal? O search, please.
Transversal is a line that passes through two lines in the same plane at two distinct points.
Okay, correct. Tama, two distinct point. Ito yun, Ito. So, dito sa transversal, so there are different angle form or angle pair that is formed. So, ano yun? Meron tayong mga angle dyan na tinatawag. Sabihin natin ngayon kung ano na yung mga angle na nabubuo when you draw. Ayan. Look. So, meron tayong mga different angle. Ito yun. For example, ito yung tinatawag natin line. So, we have line L and line M. And we have line P that is called the transversal. So, in this given figure, meron tayong theorem on a pair of angle which is vertical angle theorem and then the linear pair. As a recall, pag sinabi natin vertical angle theorem, vertical angles formed by intersecting lines are congruent. Tandaan niyo yan, So, kung ito yung line natin, so may 1 and 2 vertical angles, they are vertical angle and they are congruent. Ang ibig sabihin yan ay they are equal. So, equal sila. Halimbawa, ito ay 30. Sample lang naman. 30 degrees. Ibig sabihin, angle 2 is also 30 degrees. They are equal according to the theorem. Diba? So, kung gagawa ka ng angle. So, ibig sabihin, in this given figure, let us consider, anong angle ang sinasabi nating vertical aside from angle 1 and angle 4?
Angle 5 and 8.
Yes, correct. Angle 5 and 8, they are also equal. So, ibig sabihin, based on vertical angle theorem, angle 5 is equal to 8. Ano pa? Angle yan, So, angle. Ano pa?
Angle 3 and angle 2.
Correct. Angle P and angle 2, they are also equal. Ano pa?
Angle 7.
Okay, correct. Angle 6 and angle 7, they are equal based on the vertical angle theorem. Huwag niyong kakalimutan yan. So, angle 1 and angle 4 are also equal. So, sa linear pair naman, so if we're talking about linear pair, anong ibig sabihin? Two angles that form linear pair are supplementary. What do you mean by supplementary again? Pag sinabi
180.
they are equal to
180.
degrees. So, ibig sabihin, linear pair nakakabuo ng straight line. Okay. Now, based on the angle that we found on this given figure, isa-isahin natin. Anong pares ng angle ang makukonsider natin linear pair at may sum na 180 degrees?
1 and 2.
Correct. So, we have angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180. Okay. Ano pa?
Angle 5 and 6.
Angle 5 and 6. Okay, teka lang. Balik na tayo dito sa Jamboard. Gawa ako ng line. Yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now, kanina sinabi, angle 1 plus angle 2 are supplementary. So, that is equal to 180 degrees. Now, write another angle pair na natin na equal sa 180 degrees o yung tinatawag nating supplementary. Isabel,
Sir?
write another angle that is considered supplementary on this given figure.
Sir?
Yes?
Ay, kala ko po ano.
Ayan, correct. Tama yung ginawa ni Isabel. Angle 5 and angle 6 are linear pair and they're considered supplementary. Okay, aside from that, ano pa? Sige, magbigay. Sino naman? Mabunga, Prince. Ayan, correct. Tama. Tama yung ginawa ni Haven. Ha? Angle 2 plus angle 3 is also supplementary because they form linear pair, 20, this angle. Okay, Justin, Julia. Yan pa lang yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 8 angle pair. So, merong 8 angle dyan. One, angle, 3. One. Tapos, so ikaw ba nagsagot?
Opo, sir.
Angle 1. Angle 1 and angle 3. 1 and 3. Are there linear pair? 1. Itong 1. Ito yung 3. Anong tawag sa kanila? They are called BA. Anong tawag sa BA?
Vertical angle.
Vertical angle sila. Diba? Based on the given, vertical angle are congruent. Congruent sila. Hindi sila 180. Ano dapat to? Ano dapat to? Taboso. Yung nakaform ng straight line. Ito bang angle na to? Tsaka itong angle na to ay nakaform ng straight line? Kasi kung i-draw natin yan, magkabaliktad yan. Ayan, so correct. So that are, tingnan nyo ha, ito lang ha, ito angle 4 to. Tingnan yung mga pair of angle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So merong 8 pair of angle that are considered linear pair in this given figure. So yan yung tinatawag nating linear pair. And they are considered supplementary. Take note, they are supplementary. Sila ay tinatawag na 180 degrees or sum of 180 degrees. Now, try to look at the properties of parallel line cut by transversal. Okay, so we have parallel line and cut by a transversal. Ano-anong mga property meron tayo? Una, meron tayong tinatawag na corresponding angle postulate. Ano ba yun? So, corresponding angle postulate. Ayan, basahin natin. Ha? If two parallel lines are cut by transversal, then corresponding angles are congruent. Tignan yung mabuti. Corresponding angles are congruent. So what are the corresponding angles? Try to look at this. Angle 1, and angle 5 are corresponding angle. So, angle 2 and angle 6 are also corresponding angle. Angle 3 and angle 7 are also corresponding angle. So, yan yung mga example ng tinatawag nating corresponding angle. So, ngayon, tignan yung mabuti yung figure. Ito yung parallel line. Ito yung transversal. Now, kung gagawa tayo, isa, Kung gagawa ako, look at this. Yan. So, kung halimbawa, ito yung line A, line B, line C. Which line are considered parallel to each other?
Line B and line C.
Line B and line C. Okay, correct. So, line B parallel to line C. And line A is considered transversal. Okay, ngayon, kung yan yung transversal natin, let us identify now which angle is considered corresponding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Mabel. Write a pair of angle that are corresponding. Okay, correct. So, lagyan natin ng symbol, ha? They are congruent. Kasi sabi, corresponding angle are congruent. So, that's right. Angle 8 and angle 6 are corresponding. Another. Pablo. Angle 7 and angle 5. Very good. So, therefore, sabihin natin, if angle 7 is equal to, sabihin natin, 110 degrees. If angle 7 is equal to 110 degrees, what is the measure of angle 5? Mabel, sulat mo. Mabel. If angle 7 is 110 degrees, what is the measure of angle 5? Ayun, correct. That is also 110. Kasi nga, congruent. They are congruent to each other. And when we say congruent, they are equal to each other. Okay, ngayon.
Sir,
Yes, question.
I have question po.
Sige,
Doon po sa may Jamboard.
Jamboard. Okay.
Is ano po ba? Congruent rin po ba ang angle 7 sa angle 1?
Yes. Tama. Congruent. Based on vertical angle theorem. That is congruent to each other. They are also congruent. Okay, sige, sabihin natin, ha? Therefore, if angle 1 is congruent to angle 7, so angle 1 is also 110 degrees. Nakuha?
Opo, sir.
Ayun. So ngayon, sabihin natin, if angle 1 is 110 degrees, what is the measure of angle 2?
70.
100.
Yes, correct, 70. Bakit? They are? Anong reason natin?
Supplementary.
Supplementary.
Bakit sila supplementary? Because they are?
Vertical angle.
They are, ito,
Linear pair.
linear
Yeah,
pair. They are linear pair. Okay, kaya 70 ang sagot natin. Kasi they are linear pair. So 1 and 2 are linear pair. So they are supplementary. 110 plus 70, they are equal to 180 degrees. So ibig sabihin, isa lang yung angle na binigay natin, which is angle 7. Pero we can find all the missing angle on this given figure. Diba? Hindi natin hanapin. So anong sukat ng angle A? So tingnan natin, what's the measure of angle A?
Sir, may question po ako.
Yes, ano yun?
Kung yung angle 1 po, kunyari, congruent po siya sa angle 7, di magiging congruent na din po siya sa angle 5?
Magiging
Tsaka po
congruent na sa angle 5. Ayan, tama. Yan, congruent na siya angle 5. Bakit? Okay. Alamin natin kung bakit. Dahil dito sa ating properties ng parallel line cut by transversal. So ito yung mga dapat nating tandaan. Ano yun? Alternate interior angle. So basa. Sahin nga to. Basa. Ano yung alternate interior angle natin? Kate, Maning, Basa. Alternate interior angle. So ano yung tsura na yan? If two parallel lines are intersect by a transversal, then the alternate interior angle are congruent. Alternate interior angle. Ito, look at the figure. So dito sa figure na to, ano ba yung kinukonsider nating interior angle? So pag sinabi nating interior angle, that angle is found inside the parallel line. Ano ba yung parallel line natin? Ano ibig sabihin ng parallel line natin? Inside. Ito yung parallel line natin. So ang inside natin ay itong angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, and angle 6. Interior ang tawag yan. While angle 1, angle 2, and angle 7, and angle 8 ay tinatawag namang exterior angle ng parallel line cut by a transversal. Okay? So sabi dito, alternate interior angle. Sinabing alternate, pagkabaliktad.
Sir,
Sir, di ka po namin marinig.
ang hina niyo po.
Ayan, narinig niyo na ako?
Opo.
Opo.
Ayan, narinig ko na rin kayo.
Ayun.
Okay, di tayo nagkakarinigan. Okay, balik tayo dito ha. So again, sabi ko nga, ito, angle 3 and angle 4, angle 5, and angle 6 are interior angle. Sila yung nasa loob ng parallel line. While the angle 1, 2, 7, and 8 are called the exterior angle. Sila yung nasa labas ng parallel line. So, ibig sabihin, balik tayo dito sa jumper. Alin dito ang tinatawag nating, magkaiba yan kung titignan nyo, alin dito ang tinatawag nating interior angle?
Yung 2, 3, 7, and 6 po.
Angle 2.
2, 3, 6, and 7. Sila yung interior. At ano naman yung exterior?
1,
1, 8, 4, 5.
4, 5. So ngayon, ano naman yung tinatawag nating alternate interior angle? Alternate interior angle. Yan. AIA.
Angle 2 and 6.
Correct. So angle 2 and angle 6. Isa pa?
Angle 7.
3 and angle 7. Okay. Angle 7. So, face dito, sabi dito, the alternate interior angle are called congruent. Congruent, kita nyo? So, ibig sabihin equal in terms of measurement. So, kung angle 4 and angle 5 are congruent, if angle 4 is 40 degrees, what is measure of angle 5?
40 degrees.
40 degrees.
Also 40 degrees. Okay, tandaan niyo yan, ha? Tignan yung mga theorem na magagamit natin. Vertical angle theorem, ito yung mga dapat yung tandaan, ha? They are congruent. Linear pair, they are supplementary. Linear pair, that is 180 degrees. Vertical angle, they are congruent. So these are the things that you need to remember because that is very important in terms of parallel line cut by transversal. Lalo na pag nagko-compute na tayo, nagkaroon na uli ng mga value ng x to find, facing angle. So, napaka-importante ng mga yan. Then, corresponding angle, they are congruent. Take down notes niyo. Lagay niyo dyan, no? Vertical angle, congruent. Kahit sulat niyo lang para meron kayong mga keywords na kailangan nyong matandaan. Vertical angle theorem, they are congruent. Diba? Linear pair, that is 180 or supplementary. Corresponding angle, they are congruent. Alternate interior angle, so they are congruent. How about this converse alternate interior angle? If two lines are cut by transversal and the alternate interior angle are congruent, then the lines cut by transversal are parallel. So converse yun, ha? Converse. Kapag ka daw congruent, ang alternate interior angle, ibig sabihin, parallel na yung line natin ay parallel. So ano naman ibig sabihin ng same side? interior angle. Same side. Anong ibig sabihin yan? Ibig sabihin, if this is the transversal, which is ang line P, yan yung transversal. Pag sinabing same side, pag nasa left lang. Pag nasa right lang. Diba? So, ano yung interior angle on same side? Interior angle of same side. Yeah, interior angle of same side. Meron din tayong exterior angle on same side. Ayan. So, ano yung interior angle? That is 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Bakit? Kasi pares lang silang nasa left. Tsaka, 4 and 6. Pares naman silang nasa right. Ang tawag sa kanila ay interior angle on same side of transversal. At yung 1 and 7 naman, ang tawag, 1 and 7, ang tawag naman sa kanila ay exterior angle on same side, as well as angle 2 and angle 8. They are also exterior angle and same side. Now, what property apply on interior angle on same side is also exterior angle on same side? Alamin natin. Ano yun? Ito, same side, interior angle. They are, anong sabi?
Supplementary.
Supplementary. They are supplementary. Try to look at this. Angle 3 plus angle 5, they are equal to 180 degrees. 3 and 5, they are equal to 180 degrees. They are supplementary. Yan yung mga dapat tandaan. About same side, exterior. They are also supplementary. So, tulad nyo yung mga key points na dapat yung tandaan, ha? Corresponding angle, congruent. Alternate interior angle, congruent. Same side interior, supplementary. Same side exterior, supplementary. And how about alternate exterior? May alternate interior, may alternate exterior. So they are also congruent. So parang ganun lang gagawin natin, no? Sulat nyo lang, key points lang. Alternate interior angle, sabihin, congruent. Parang ganyan lang yung take down notes natin para meron lang tayo re-reviewin. Alternate exterior angle, they are also congruent. Ganyan lang ginagawa ko nung nag-aaral ako eh. So alam ko na yung key points na sinusulat ko. Tapos same side interior angle. So same side interior angle, they are 180 degrees or supplementary. Same side exterior angle, they are supplementary also. Diba? So yun lang madapat natin tandaan. How about ano naman yung perpendicular transversal theorem? Ito yung ginawa natin kanina. Ano yun? Yung if parallel line is perpendicular to one line that is parallel to another, then the line is perpendicular to the second line. So yun yung kanina, yung ginawa natin. So, balikan natin. Ano yun? Ito yun yung ginawa natin. Na kung ito ay perpendicular dito, perpendicular na rin siya dito. Nakuha nyo? May question?
Wala po.
Yan. So, narinig nyo naman ako. Pag hindi nyo ako narinig, chat ka agad ha. Kasi nagdulus yung ano dito. Nawawala. Okay. So, ayan. So, proving naman to. Proving lang. Basahin nyo na lang yung deep na yan. So, makita nyo may mga sagot naman yan. So, proceed tayo dun sa may problem. Okay. So yung may problem. Yung big 4 natin. Na kung saan, inaalam natin. Okay. So, ito yun. Look at this. Meron tayong tinatawag na corresponding angle. Ayan. Dito na rin yung mga example natin. Ano yung mga corresponding angle natin? If this is the given, ang corresponding angle natin is 1 and 2. 1 and 2 corresponding angle. Okay? Then kapag alternate exterior angle, ito makikita nyo, 1 and 2. Exterior yan ha. 1 and 2, which is this 1 and 2. Makita nyo dito. 1 and 2. Exterior. Then 3 and 4. Kapag interior, nasa loob ng parallel. Now, same side of the interior angle. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. They are supplementary. Okay, so ito pa, mga figure. Okay, ngayon, sabi kanina, perpendicular lines are set of a line that intersect to form right angle. So, ito yun. Look at this. Line AB is perpendicular to line CD, which is naka-form sila ng 90 degrees. Okay. If a transversal is perpendicular to the first line, then it's also perpendicular to the second line. Okay. So, lagyan ko to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So, ito, makita nyo, may number again yan, ha? So, alin dyan ang transversal?
Line M.
Very good. Line M. Lagi nyo tatandaan, yung transversal is a line that intersect the parallel line. So, we must identify the parallel line in order to identify the transversal. Since ito yung ating parallel, which is T and S, so ibig sabihin ng ating transversal ay line M. Ngayon, based on that, iniba-iba ko yung order ng number. So, much better na dapat yung i-identify kung alin yung transversal para hindi kayo nalilito kung alin yung mga angle pair na hinahanap natin. So, which angle is considered same side interior angle? Sige nga, magbigay nga.
Sir,
Sige, magsabi ka ng angle na masasabi nating same side exterior. Exterior, angle. Yasmin, Minga.
Angle 2 and 8.
Very good. Angle 2 and 8. Ano pa yung isa? Exterior. 2 and 8.
Sir,
O sige, ikaw.
Sir, angle 1 and 7 po.
Correct. Angle 1 and angle 7. Tama. O ngayon, magbigay ka ng angle na alternate interior angle.
Angle 3 and
Luis.
angle.
Nawawala yung mga tinatawag ko. Missing. Okay. Nawawala. Tinatawag ko sila, nawawala sila. Alam pag tinawag ko, nadidisconnect. Nadidisconnect sila. Okay.
Angle 3 and angle 6, sir.
Angle 3 and angle 6, alternate exterior. Correct. 3 and angle 6.
Angle 4 tas angle 5, sir.
Correct. Angle 4 and angle 5. Okay. So, medyo bibilisan natin. Kasi meron daw ugnayang guro. May meeting daw, no? Okay, yan Yan yung mga example. Ngayon, here is what I say a while ago na kung saan kailangan natin yung mga theorem natin, yung mga postulate natin na sinabi kanina, which is we're going to apply that if meron na tayong mga kailangan hanapin. Katulad nito, example number 1. Find the value of x so that the two lines are parallel. So, hanapin lang daw natin yung value ng x. For example, to find the value of x, let us go back to the properties of parallel lines cut by a transversal. So, x plus 86 degree is the alternate exterior angle of 24 plus 2x. Therefore, they are congruent. Dahil alternate exterior angle sila. Halimbawa, 1, 2, 3, o lagyan yung number 4, 5. Halimbawa, nalilito kayo. Pwede kayo maglagay ng number. Nalilito kayo kung walang number. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ito yung 8, Okay. So, ibig sabihin, yung 1 and 7, angle 1 and angle 7, sila ay tinatawag na alternate interior or exterior angle. Ano ibig sabihin ng alternate exterior angle? Look at the property. Ano ibig sabihin? Balik tayo dito. Ano ibig sabihin ng alternate exterior angle? Ito na yun.
Angles that are outside the parallel lines.
Yes, they are. They are what? Alternate exterior
Alter-
angle. They are
Congruent.
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 Sa inyo, ilista nyo itong mga ano para nakikita nyo kaagad kung ano yung meron kayong hint or may key points kayong dapat tandaan. Di ba? They are congruent. The alternate exterior angle, they are congruent. Ibig sabihin, angle 1 and angle 7 are congruent. Ibig sabihin, kung sila ay congruent, ito na yung solution natin. Look at this. Malakayan pa natin para kitang-kita nyo. Ito yung solution natin. Solution, 24 plus 2x. Ito yun, no? 24 plus 2x. Which is, masasabi natin ito yung angle 7. At ito naman yung angle 1. Ngayon, applying basic algebra again. So, yung x, lilipat natin sa kabila, magiging negative. At yung 24, lilipat natin sa kabila, 24, lilipat sa kabila, magiging negative also. 2x minus x is equal to x, then 86 minus 24 is equal to 62. Ibig sabihin, x is equal to 62 degrees. If x is equal to 62 degrees, therefore, angle 1 is equal to x plus 86. So, substitute lang natin, equal to 62 plus 86, then equal to, ano yun? 148 degrees. Kung ang angle 1 ay 148 degrees, obviously, ang angle 7 is also 148 degrees kasi they are congruent. 148 degrees. Ayan. So, x lang naman yung pinapahanap. Actually, nakuha na natin dito. The value of x. Ngayon, kung pinapahanap kung anong measure ng angle 1, ang sukat ng angle 1 is 148 degrees. And angle 7 is 148 degrees also. Okay, another example. Example number 2. Find the value of x so that the lines are parallel. Ayan. Look at this. Anong ibig sabihin ng box na to?
90 degrees.
90 degrees. That's why makikita nyo dito may 90, di ba? So, since sila ay tinatawag na perpendicular, itong line na to ay perpendicular, so lahat ng angle dito, lahat ng angle na makikita natin dito ay 90 degrees. So, lahat sila ay 90 degrees. That's why 11x minus 9 is also 90 degrees. So, in solution, ito na yon. 11x minus 9 is equal to 90 degrees. Then, ililipat yung 9, magiging positive. Diba? Kaya meron tayong 11x is equal to 90 plus 9. That is 99. Divide 11. Divide 11. So, cancel. That's why we have x is equal to 9. Okay. Nasundan ba?
Opo, sir.
Opo, sir.
Ayan, tingnan nyo mabuti ha. Tingnan nyo mabuti. Just because of the properties and postulate doon sa ating parallel line cut by a transversal, even though na wala tayong measurement na ibinibigay, katulad nito, halimbawa, ang measurement ay may value ng x. Paano natin kukuha niya? Siya lang may sukat. Pero we identify na ito ay 90 degrees kasi nga based on the box. So nagkaroon tayo ng idea na dahil ito ay 90 degrees, ibig sabihin, perpendicular siya dito, perpendicular din siya dito. So, 90 degrees din to. Diba? So, it is the idea on how to compute the angle. O, words of the day. Coplanar means lying on the same plane. O, so, ano na to? Ito yung basic, diba? Congruent angle means angle with the same measurement. Supplementary angle means that the sum of two angles is equal to 180 degrees. And linear means that the sum of angle is 180 degrees. So, tandaan nyo rin yan. Okay, so engagement na. Ayan. So, sasagutan nyo to, ha? Sagutan nyo yan, learning task 1. As well as this. Sasagutan nyo na yan. Ayan. And then, mamaya, or kahit bukas, magsisend ako ng assessment uli natin for our lesson for week 3 and week 4. Now, do you have any question and clarification about our lesson for today? Okay, sige, try muna natin. Yung learning task 1. Sige, apply natin dito. Which, sige lang ha. So, bago tayo mag-end para mas malinaw, dito sa learning task 1, look at which line is considered parallel.
Line C and line A.
Line CE. Pag line, dalawang letra, di ba? Line CE is parallel to line
AB.
AB.
Yan, tandaan nyo. Pag dalawang letra, line yon. Kaya kahit hindi ko lagyan dyan ng ano, ibig sabihin line yan. Yan, they are parallel. So, ito yun. So, which line is considered transversal?
Line
Line DB.
Line DB.
DB.
Okay, correct. Itong line na to, tinatawag nating transversal. So, ngayon, kung mag-extend ako dito, yan. Extend natin yan. Yan. Makikita nyo na, meron na tayong mga different angle dyan, di ba? So, halimbawa, lalagyan ko ulit ito. 1, 2, para hindi kayo malito, di ba? Pwede naman ganyan. 4, lalagyan nyo ng number. 5, 6, 7, 8. O ngayon, hinahanap dyan. Angle ACD. ACD. So, tinutukoy ko. So, ibig sabihin, itong CA is also transversal, hindi lang DB. DB and CA are transversal. Transversal ang tawag sa kanila. Bakit? Kasi they intersect parallel line. Transversal yan. So, pag in-extend ko to dito, transversal din tong line ito. Okay, ngayon sabi, ito ay perpendicular. ACD. Ibig sabihin, anong sukat nito?
90.
90 degrees.
Ha? 90. Paano natin nakuha yun? Dito, sa box na to, kung perpendicular to dito, ibig sabihin, perpendicular dito dito. So, ibig sabihin, 90 din yan. So, 90 degrees. Ngayon, CAB. What is the measure of CAB? That is
90 degrees.
90. What is the measure of CDB? CDB, ito yun. Angle 4 yun. Angle 4. O ano sukat ng angle 4? Base dito. Ano ba yung relation?
180 minus 50.
Hindi, may sukat to, di ba? 5 and 4. Anong relationship ng angle 5 saka ng angle 4? Anong relationship nila?
Same side interior
Yes,
angle.
correct. Same side. Interior, di ba? Interior angle on same side of the transversal. So ngayon, yung same side of interior angle, anong relationship? They are?
Supplementary.
Correct. Very good. So that is supplementary. So, ibig sabihin, pag plus ko to equal to sa 180 degrees. Ngayon, yung angle 5 is 54 plus angle 4. Angle 4 equal 180. Ibig sabihin, ano ang, kung ililipat ko ito dito, angle 4 is equal to 180 minus 54. Okay, so ano sagot?
126.
126.
126. Nakuha ba?
Opo.
Nasundan ba? Nasundan?
Opo.
Opo.
O yan. O, yung correct. Kayo na magsagot. So, any question?
Wala na po.